What is the STEM field? Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's a field of research, innovation, discovery, and imagination. Currently, it is a field largely dominated by males. Our hope is to inspire the next generation of women to help change that. A recent study showed that in 4th grade, 66% of girls are interested in science and science-related fields. However, only 18% of these girls end up pursuing STEM majors in college. In the field of engineering, white men make up 68%, while non-white men make up 21%. White women make up 8%, and non-white women make up only 4%. This shows that women are vastly underrepresented in this field. To elaborate on this more, of all the women in engineering, white women make up 66%, Asian women make up 17%, Latina and Black women make up 8%, and all other groups of women make up only 1%. It seems that the norms are against women in the STEM field, but those that you're about to see are helping to change that.
My dream has always been to leave a lasting impact on this world, and so when I came to Purdue University, I didn't entirely know what I wanted to study. I knew I wanted it to be engineering, since then I can leave my impact. And then with civil engineering, that'll allow me to actually pursue my dream, which is building skyscrapers. So hopefully one day I'll have my own, I'll leave that.
I wanted to do civil engineering because I love looking at something and seeing something like a plot of land that's empty and seeing it over the years when it starts to build into more of a company or a building.
Because it's awesome. I like to work with different parts. I'm very mathematical, and engineering has a simultaneously scary and exciting part where it's not every day the same thing, it's every day you have a problem, go solve it, and that was really exciting to me.
I really like being able to understand the world around me. Being in STEM has really helped me get a good feel of what's happening in the world.
I just really liked how chemical engineering gives you the aspects of chemistry that I like, but it also gives you the problem solving that you learn all throughout growing up.
About being a STEM student is that you can do anything you want.
My parents kind of encouraged me to go into engineering, and I kind of assumed that I was going to drop out of engineering because a bunch of people told me that girls don't really do engineering. So I kind of assumed that I wouldn't like it, and then I took my first couple of classes the first semester at Purdue and absolutely fell in love with it, and that's the last thing I ever expected. So.
I study food science. I wanted to study it because there's all the sciences involved in food, so you can learn a lot about microbiology and see how that affects the safety of the food that you eat every day. You can study engineering and know how that impacts processing foods so that you get the cereal that you eat and the ice cream that you eat, all those things, how any of the processing conditions can affect that end product. And then you can also learn about the nutrition of a food and how it applies to food products that you see on the shelf. So it's very applicable to everyday life, and you also learn about almost all the sciences you can think of imaginable.
All of these college students are following the footsteps of many others that went before them. Amelia Earhart, born in 1897, was an American aviation pioneer. She was the first female aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic, and because of this accomplishment, she received the U.S. Distinguished Flying Cross Award. In 1937, she was invited to join Purdue University faculty, and she counseled many women in their careers and helped inspire them with her love for aviation. Marie Curie was born in 1867. Some of her accomplishments include developing the theory of radioactivity and discovering two elements, polonium and radium. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize and the only one to win it twice. Mae-Jemison, born 1956, is an American physician and NASA astronaut. She was the first African-American woman to travel in space when she boarded the Space Shuttle Endeavour on September 12, 1992. She also is an actress, can be seen on Star Trek, a dancer, and a college professor. The line doesn't stop with them. These women paved and are paving the way for you to take your place in the STEM field.
stay curious, be open-minded, and if something doesn't go the way that you think it will right away, don't give up, find a way around, and just keep working hard.
Don't be scared off. You can make it work for you.
Find your passion and go for it. Just because you think engineering is difficult doesn't mean it will be.
The best I have for young girls would be that don't ever let anyone tell you that you can't do something. Make sure you do what you like and what you love. Don't let anyone else dictate what you like to do.
Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry about who you are or what you want to do. Just embrace it. Do it. Do what you want to do.
So what now? Stay curious and always follow your passions wherever they may lead you. Just remember that you, as a woman, have the power to change the world. We cannot wait to see what amazing things you accomplish.